Good girl, Aggie. What's going on, everybody? We are loaded up for the morning. We're headed to the duck blind. This is going to be my first hunt of the season. Hope it's a good one. It's going to be a lot of fun. Y'all come on. Sailing in. Get ready, get ready. See him. I can't. Got him.
I caught a glimpse of him. Should I hit him again?
No, sir. He's dead.
Is he dead?
Yeah. Good girl, Aggie. Good shot.
Well, I lost him and I just waited, and then I caught a glimpse. Oh, two right above us. Two right above us.
Coming. Eddie, kill this duck. Kill him.
Yeah, buddy.
Get out of it. Good girl.
Two. Come in.
Nope. They're on the water. Good girl. Well, they think she's a duck. Remember we had them flying out.
Three coming.
Remember we had them landing on Aggie's head that day, Eddie?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Oh, coming. Big wall coming right up. More to the left.
Oh, three sailing in. Right to that pond, dude.
Here he comes.
That was it, I think.
He's looking. He's staying low. He's sitting. No.
Is he coming?
Oh, here he comes.
Here they come.
Breaking off.
Dead at us. Don't move.
Don't move there. Come around. He's circling now. Is it circling? Yeah, circling. Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah. Oh, kill it.
Where's that?
That's a kill shot. Right back there. Coming around. Coming down.
Got away.
I don't know who.
Here!
I don't know. I think you put the pellets in it too, dude. I was up there.
Where is he? He was ultra interesting. He looked like he was going to come on in. Didn't he?
Yeah, there he is. There he is.
He's looking. Drop in. God dang it.
Dylan?
Yeah. Yeah, his head's down. He's done, Dylan. She'll get him. His head's down. Nice.
Good job.
Water swat.
I am no picky.
Good job, Aggie. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anytime you're in the blind and somebody else is out in the water doing this, always make sure your camera's on. Because you never know. Magic could happen. See there? Whoop, see there?